our new member, Dr. Larry Bucshon.
Thank you, Dr. Gingrey, for allowing me this time. Mr. Speaker, I was proud to vote for the repeal bill of health care today because as a practicing physician for 15 years, I know that the government approach to the health care reform is the wrong approach. It was said earlier tonight that why aren't the Republicans focusing on jobs? Well, I would hold, Mr. Speaker, that this is a jobs bill today. The health care bill, the Obamacare bill, is a job destroyer. I held roundtables for large and small businesses throughout my district, and I never heard any of the things that I heard earlier tonight in this chamber. What I heard is that it's preventing them from expanding business, it's preventing them from starting new businesses, and some businesses are very worried that they may no longer be in business. So this is a jobs bill. The other thing I'd like to comment on is the physician support for this bill. It was said earlier tonight in this chamber that physicians across the country support this bill. Well, the organizations that have been discussed at the last time I looked represent less than 20% of the physicians in the United States. In actual fact, there are most national special medical societies were against the bill. So this is a gross overrepresentation of national physician support for the Obamacare bill. The President had a group of physicians at the White House in white coats saying that physicians are behind this bill, but he brought in a group of physicians that are known people that are proponents of single-payer health care. So, Mr. Speaker, I would like to say again, this is a jobs bill. This will hurt jobs in America. And then the last thing I'd like to say, finishing up, related to being a physician is, what are we going to do about physician shortages in this country? This bill is going to make that worse. How can we convince young people like my son, who's a senior in high school, to go into medicine when they're looking at no significant financial way to become a primary care doctor in this country going forward with this Obamacare in place? I want young people to love medicine, to go into medicine, to keep us in a strong supply of physicians. But, Mr. Speaker, unless we do repeal this bill and replace it with things that we know that work as a private sector solution, that's not going to happen. I yield back my time. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, I thank